all projects which were in the pipeline are being pushed ahead, including Baingedi, Kakora, biomedical waste at Kundai, all are in track. Whatever environmental clearance for this project of Baingedi, after getting that, we will go ahead with the expression of interest. That is, tender document will be out.
Okay. So, but the High Court has given you 28 months time or something.
Yes, we are on that track. The day we get environmental clearance, all those processes will start within 1.5 months. After completing the tender process, we will start the work. All states in India are welcome to see our model, which we have built in Kalangut, Saligao, Plateau. The solid waste management plant, which is already in operational for the last 4 years, is an example to be set up in India, that wet waste, how it is being treated, and dry waste, how it is being bailed out from there into the cement factories, into the incinerator. So what we are lacking is only an incinerator to take care of the dry waste. That also will come very soon. First is we are strengthening our Kalangut solid waste management plant. Kakora plant has to start, the work has to start. Baingedi, after getting environmental clearance, we will immediately start the work also on that. So all these things are in process.
So you would like other municipalities also?
Other states can come and see us, and definitely they should start this and form a separate waste management ministry, how we have done in Goa. See, waste cannot be under urban development. Urban development is a big department.
Correct.
So waste management is just one dot on urban development ministry. So you have to have solid waste management corporation, or you got to have a waste management ministry.
So,
then only you can give justice to this department.